The annual general meeting of the Khasi Authors Society was a significant event marked by deep discussions on pivotal issues confronting the society. The primary focus was on advocating for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the prestigious 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, demonstrating the society's steadfast commitment to safeguarding and promoting the linguistic legacy of the Khasi people. Amidst these deliberations, distinguished individuals in academia and literature that included Dr. Banyokor Lingdo Nongbri, Doris Melinchi Birsat, and Dr. Walter Thaba were lauded for their completion of doctoral studies focusing on various aspects of Khasi literature. A senior member of the society, Silbi Passah, who was awarded the prestigious Padmashree, was also felicitated for her exceptional contributions. In a poignant ceremony, 14 new members were warmly embraced into the society, symbolizing its continual growth and vitality. The spotlight was on Silbi Passah as she graciously unveiled a book authored by esteemed founding member Kitbor W. Nongrum entitled Kibang Nyokor. Her address resonated with attendees, emphasizing the importance of diligence and perseverance, particularly during formative years in serving society and uplifting literature within the region. The proceedings seamlessly transitioned into a session focusing on the theme, quote, Authors and Society, unquote. Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait, the president of the Khasi Authors Society, presented a thought-provoking paper that sparked an engaging exchange of ideas among participants. Attendees delved into various perspectives ranging from the practical aspects of crafting literary works to the profound influence these creations exert on societal norms and values. Overall, the meeting underscored the unwavering dedication of the Khasi Authors Society towards advancing the literary and cultural heritage of the Khasi people. It reaffirmed the critical role of language and literature in fostering a vibrant and inclusive society, inspiring attendees to persist in their pursuit of excellence in the literary arts.
Resolution that we have adopted in the meeting is that to follow up with the union government with regard to our demand when the new government in Delhi is in place. And one more resolution that we have adopted in this general council meeting is that to follow up with the state government with regard to our demand for making Khasi one of the official languages in the state, along with English. See, English dictionary is a very important project that the society has taken up with the financial support from the Department of Arts and Culture, the Government of Meghalaya, and also the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. And as per the plan, we thought of completing this very important project within 3 years. But when we started taking up this very huge project, we find it very difficult to complete the task within 3 years. So we hope that by the end of next year, we will be able to publish this dictionary. It will be Khasi English Dictionary, and there will be phonetic transcription also, where the readers can pronounce the Khasi words accurately, and there will be also uniformity of spelling and also word juncture, which till now we have not been able to make it uniform. So with the publication of this dictionary, I hope it will be a very important milestone in the history of the development of Khasi language and